Forever House by MCK Architects sits perched on a steep, sloping site in Seaforth, Sydney's northern beaches. The home's design is an exploration of modesty, embracing simplicity and functionality while allowing the landscape and harbor views to shine through. MCK Architects have created a structure that seems to float above the land, effortlessly blending into its surroundings. The Brutalist concrete form, stark and unadorned, defines the house's exterior. Yet, within its minimalist lines, the home holds a unique charm, revealing itself in the way it interacts with light and the stunning vistas of Middle Harbour below. As you enter the home, the feeling of serenity is immediate. The bustling streetscape is left behind as you step into the sunken open-plan kitchen, living and dining area. Large retractable glass doors invite you into a space that feels connected to the outdoors, with panoramic views of the water that seem to spill into the home itself. The design achieves an impressive feat by balancing privacy and openness. While the east and west sides of the home remain solid to ensure seclusion, the north and south are open to welcome natural light and frame the picturesque scenery. Despite its contemporary form, Forever House remains grounded in a casual, family-oriented aesthetic. It is a space where gathering is encouraged, but quiet retreat is also possible. Steve Colusz, director of MCK Architects, speaks with pride about the home's ability to bring family together, while also offering moments of solitude. The choice of materials contributes to this balance between openness and refuge. Off-form concrete was chosen for its durability and raw beauty, contrasted by the warmth of timber, which softens the industrial feel and adds a sense of warmth to the spaces. The design's clever integration of landscape and architecture is seen not only in the views, but in the way the home engages with its surroundings. The front yard flows seamlessly from the open-plan space, while the rear of the house seems to hover above the back lawn, giving the illusion of lightness despite the home's concrete foundation. The landscaping, designed by Lone Pine Landscapes, plays a critical role in this effect. It creates privacy from neighboring homes while enhancing the connection to the natural environment. While Forever House is undeniably modern, it resists the impulse to compete with its surrounding architecture. Colusz reflects on the northern beaches' architectural vernacular, noting that the area has long been a mix of styles with no definitive identity. Forever House takes a different approach. Instead of trying to stand out, it embraces a laid-back coastal aesthetic that is as unassuming as it is timeless. The home is not meant to be a statement piece, but a place where the family can live for generations, its simplicity and durability ensuring it remains relevant for years to come. Perhaps what makes Forever House so compelling is its ability to evoke calmness in every corner. Walking through the spaces, the presence of water is constant, whether through a direct view of the harbor or the soft reflection of light off the walls. This tranquility is amplified by the design's modesty. Even though it's contemporary and has quite a strong form, the home is actually very casual, Kolu's remarks. The simplicity of the design allows the family to focus on what truly matters, being together and enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Inside, the home's minimal aesthetic is elevated by thoughtful details. A feature staircase with a striking steel balustrade stands as a sculptural centerpiece, while the neutral furnishings with soft curves complement the materiality of the space. In the main bedroom, a steel-framed robe adds an element of drama against the home's otherwise calm palette. The restrained use of materials allows the harbor views and the play of light to take center stage, creating a dynamic experience of the space throughout the day. At its core, Forever House represents a new kind of luxury. In a world often dominated by excess and complexity, its modesty feels extraordinary. It is a home that honors its site and the family it was built for, offering a space that is not just a dwelling but a sanctuary, with every detail carefully considered, from the off-form concrete to the timber finishes. Forever House stands as a testament to the power of restraint, creating a timeless, enduring refuge on the edge of Sydney's Middle Harbour.